Whatever question you're facing in your life right now and whatever challenge you have to overcome, I'm 100% sure that the answer you're looking for is somewhere out there in a book. And in this video, I will show you how to find the perfect book for your current life situation with all the inspiration and answers you need to take your life to the next level. So buckle up and let's start digging. I know you think the problems you're going through and the challenges you're facing are unique and they require unique solutions for your specific needs. But believe me, throughout humanity's history, probably tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of people been through the same problem you are facing right now. And it's very, very likely that many of them have written pretty good books about them. May it be love or business or some existential questions, there's almost 100% chance that there is a great book about the questions and the answers you are looking for somewhere out there. You just have to know how to find it. So, let's get practical. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step method how to do your research and find those books that can actually give you the practical knowledge completely applicable to your current life situation, even if you're just looking for inspiration or any kind of practical answer to your burning problems and desires. So let's jump right into it and go through the steps that can get you that book. So step number 1 is to create a mentor list of all the people who inspires you. It can be someone from social media, it can be a political figure, a historical figure even, or even someone from pop culture. Maybe a high achiever in your specific field, a philanthropist, finance or relationship expert. You know the saying, never take advice from someone you wouldn't swap places with. So once you have this comprehensive list of all the people who inspire you, your so-called mentor list, the next thing you want to do is to find out what they are feeding their minds with. So create a list of all the books they recommend, their highly rated books, and just start adding them to your Goodreads account. If you don't have a Goodreads account, I highly recommend creating one. It's like IMDb for your books, IMDb for your mind. You can also sync it to your Kindle account and update the progress of the books you are reading. You can also set a reading challenge, so you can decide how many books you want to read a year, and you will see your progress in Goodreads. And also, as you finish a book in your Kindle account, if you sync it up with your Goodreads account, then it will update your progress live as you finish the books you're reading. Some pretty famous people, pretty influential and smart people are actually on Goodreads, and they are using it actively. Like Bill Gates has his account and he even leaves pretty comprehensive book reviews for the books he really likes. So for example, when I was curating my own want to read list on Goodreads, I opened up Bill Gates' reading list and it has 500 books on it, what he also already rated and left reviews on them. So that was a very, very valuable source of inspiration. And basically I didn't add all the books, there is no point in doing that, but I went through the list and cherry-picked the ones that actually resonated with me and just one by one added them and collected and curated it on my want to read list. So once you have a comprehensive want to read list with a fair amount of titles on it, the next thing you can do is organize them in order of average Goodreads ratings. So you have the highest average rated books on the top and the lowest on the bottom. And basically, I'm not saying that the highest rated books are always the best, because there are many examples of amazing books with not that high average community ratings. And also it depends on your specific preference as well to some extent. But what I'm saying is that usually with a very highly rated book, I never go wrong. So then you start going through that list from top to bottom And basically just based on your gut feeling, what you feel like, what kind of piques your curiosity, you just pick the next book you feel like you want to commit to and you want to read, because that could really add a lot of value to your current life situation and state of mind. If you want to play it a little bit safe, then you can open up the book and literally read the top 2 to 3 reviews. So you have a bit more deeper understanding what you're getting yourself into, what the book is about, and what you can expect. And of course, if you want to play it ultra safe, on Kindle, you can actually, with an Amazon account, in most cases, you can actually download a sample of the book. It's probably around the first 30 to 50 pages, and you can actually start reading the book without spending money on it or actually committing to 300 to 500 pages. So, what book are you going to read next? Leave it in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like, because that would help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to get more content about health, fitness, and on how to unlock your potential, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one, my friend.